Tired of getting zero views or low views no matter what type of content you create? Coming up in this video are top 5 reasons why you're getting either zero view or low view on your TikTok videos. Hello everyone, this is Saj. Welcome to PHONEpreneur, a channel that encourages and empowers you to create awesome content with your phone. So without further delays, let's get into the top 5 reasons. Reason number 1, account age and authority and engagement. So one of the top reasons why you're getting low views on your content is because you are quite new on the platform, and like any other social media platform, your content is being shown to a small sizable sample audience, and the algorithm is trying to learn how well those sample audience reacts and engages with your videos. Now the engagement can be in several forms. For example, are they watching the video in full? Are they replaying your videos? Are they sharing these videos? Are they commenting on the videos? Are they liking the videos? Do they start following your profile after they have viewed the video? So the algorithm can see how well your audience is responding to the video. As soon as your videos start getting more conversion rate, as in compared to the number of views, more people are responding, commenting, liking, sharing, replaying, and following your profile, the larger the sample size audience would be for your newer videos. So in other words, your profile is kind of hopping through different level of tier systems. The more videos you make, the more engagement you get. The more the engagement and more the success of your each videos, you will move on through those tier systems, which is all automatic. The algorithm trying to push to different levels. And the way the TikTok algorithm works is once you submit your videos, initially, even before it goes live to the For You page, your audience or your followers are able to still see it earlier on. So what that means is as time goes by and your followers grow, you will get that initial jump because your own followers will view it either way. So that means you'll have better chance of ranking. And I'll be doing a separate video how exactly the TikTok algorithm works compared to YouTube and other social media platforms very soon on this channel, especially for a new content creator on the TikTok platform. Reason number 2 is the time and the location. So there's no fixed time when actually you should post, and you should not be only posting it at a certain time, because on the social media platforms like TikTok, you have audiences throughout the day watching your content. However, just remember that when you are a new content creator, you want to basically take maximum advantage of the time when most of the users are live on their platform. And it also depends on what kind of niche you are in. You'll have to try and pick the time which you think it's a prime time for your target audience. However, if you're quite new, then you can still start posting videos at a time which is like the most popular time, which is like late evenings and the prime hours, when you know that most people would be actually using the TikTok. Another very important aspect you have to understand how TikTok works is where you're based compared to YouTube, Instagram and everything, where people are actually searching for the content and a worldwide audience can access your content. The way TikTok algorithm works is unless you are a big TikTok creator, your videos are actually only shown to people around you. So your city, region and country. And you can experiment this with as many videos that you have created. When you go on your TikTok profile, you will see that your audience is mainly from the country that you are from. So that is one aspect that you have to keep in mind, because it doesn't work the same way as YouTube, Instagram or other platforms work. So if you're trying to make a content and releasing at a time where when audiences in your country are not accessing the app, then you will have low views and you'll have low engagement rate, because your videos won't get that initial boost that it needs to get past the minimum barrier for it to be pushed to a wider audience outside your country as well. However, once your video goes viral in your own region or country, then they are actually pushed on to different countries, and sometimes it also depends on the exact content. In the example that you see in the screenshot right now, you'll see that this particular video are released at a time when it was quite late in UK. You'll see that majority of the audience is actually from India, even though I'm based in UK. However, if you see my other videos, you'll see majority of the viewers are from UK. So just remember, if you are in a country where the audience is low, then initially your videos would have lower views. Even if you make exact same video as someone who's based in those countries, they will have that initial boost. But once your conversion rate improves and your engagement improves, your videos will then be pushed out to different countries. Reason number 3 is tech glitch or shadow ban. Now I won't be going into a lot of details about this because I've already created a 10-minute video on this entire topic, and I would leave the link in the description so you can actually watch it and then head over there if you're actually getting zero views rather than low views. Technical glitch could be something because it's an app. Sometimes there would be bugs in the software if your app has crashed or something like that, but there are easy ways to fix that. The best thing would be to clear the cache. If you go in your settings and you clear your cache, it would clear off. It would kind of refresh your TikTok app. Apart from that, you can actually quit the app and then restart it to make sure it's not like a technical glitch. You could even restart your handset. Shadow ban is something which when your account or your previous videos have been banned by the TikTok algorithm due to it detecting maybe like a copyright music, if you had something like a knife in your hand or in your background, or it could be any such reasons which goes against the community guidelines, then either that particular video or your account can be shadow banned for a temporary period of time or permanently. But there are ways to resolve that. As I said, you can actually watch that 10-minute video that I created specifically for this particular topic. Reason number 4, hashtags and captions that you used on your videos. Hashtags and captions assist in SEO on any kind of online platform. It is the way how TikTok algorithm recognizes what kind of audience your videos need to be shown, and hence it's very important that you use the hashtag and captions that actually relate to your video and not something that's just trending. So for example, you're making a recipe video and you try and use a trending dance hashtag. Even if the algorithm actually pushes it to a lot of people because of the hashtag, what would generally happen is a lot of people would get that video shown and they would swipe off that video because it's not something that they want to watch. And this in way will hurt your video even more because now your conversion rate is going up. Just remember this once again, that when you are on online platform, everything is based on conversion. So the more people interact, engage, the more number of people it will be shown. But if people are just swiping it off because it's not something that they like, just because of the hashtag that you've used, then your video won't go that far. There has been a lot of debate of what kind of hashtag should you use, and should you use the basic ones like hashtag FYP Foryou page. I personally would say there's no harm in using, because rather than using hashtags that don't make any sense to the video that you have created, it's much better you use the tried and tested ones. So what I would personally suggest is use one which is hashtag FYP or Foryou page, and then use a couple of hashtags that actually relate to your videos so that the video get pushed out to the correct audience and your engagement and conversion rates go higher, which in turn would bring in more views, more followers, and improve your overall account authority. Now, number 5, I just wanted to highlight some more important basic topics just to make sure that you are aware that these can actually affect your account authority and your videos as well. So the first one is don't get involved in any kind of black hat tactics. What I mean by that is, if you've been watching some of the other videos online, you would see that people would ask you to actually follow some of the big contenders, follow them, follow them, unfollow, and that's how you gain some of the bots. Either it's some kind of bot or maybe the algorithm does that, but those kind of tactics would actually alert the TikTok algorithm that you're doing something fishy because you're not getting those followers through any video. So the system would detect that definitely you're doing something like hat tactics. So stay away from that. Grow slow, but grow with the audience that will actually stay with you and turn your followers into fans. Secondly, I wanted to add is, like, if your account is new and if you're posting too many videos in a short span of time, again, the algorithm might pick it up as a spam and not promote as much as it should have. Thirdly, don't try and operate multiple accounts. Now, even though some people do that, I would personally say please avoid that because there's no clarity yet from TikTok whether you are allowed to actually run multiple accounts on the same handset. So do not create multiple accounts on the same handset. Another reason could be you are quite new, and just like any content creator, you're not probably able to create the best content. That's a fact, and most of my videos initially have failed as well. So as time goes by, your content quality would definitely improve and you will see that the audience reacts more positively and you get more conversion rate as well. Another major reason I wanted to include is that if you're editing your videos outside the app, the TikTok algorithm has to go through more checks, and that's why there could be delays. So if your usual videos go live and start receiving views say within an hour's time, the ones that's been edited outside could take much longer because the algorithm needs to take more checks about copyrights, etc. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. My aim at PhonePreneur is to share my experiences and encourage you and empower you to create awesome content with your phone. So that's all for this particular video, and I'll see you in the next one.